This summer, I was the pilot site for incorporating writing to learn into introductory science and engineering classes, essentially bringing back a requirement of explaining your steps in problem sets. And instead of having to explain verbally like you might do if you had an oral exam, you're explaining in your writing. It forces the student to think deeply about why they're taking the steps they are to solve a problem. In order to have an opportunity to scale up this process to larger classes, we tested out a peer review system, and it's almost like a mandatory study group. When I was in school, we had a lot of study groups. I think students are much more busy with lots of activities these days than they were back in my day. The feedback on how well a process was explained for a particular student, that feedback came from a peer. Getting that sort of feedback from a peer is far less intimidating for a student than it is from a professor, and especially when they had a chance to rewrite it, to fix all the issues in the logical sequence and any issues in the explanation, and then those same concepts were then tested. I'm so excited about writing to learn that I'm planning to incorporate it in all of my classes. Once again, what are the most difficult concepts, and trying to incorporate those difficult concepts into a writing to learn exercise in hopes of having this process be a way to help students learn the most challenging aspects of each particular topic.